What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So on this channel, I only look at the charts because the charts are my reality. So let's take a look at Coinbase on the daily first. You can see that price was inside of a yellow box, which is a range. Price works from the lows to the highs and the highs to lows. It finally broke outside of the range because we had this bullish trend formation to the price action. You can see that previously the highs were right about here. That's using the first two swing highs, but then price overshot it, which means that it could be potentially wider. So it looks like a wider channel does fit pretty good because the midline does look like it's acting as support and resistance. So again, this midline looks like it's doing something, so we'll keep it there. And the measurement target was met by the bulls. The target was right around the 154. They overshot it towards the 185. Sometimes the market does get emotional like that. So let's see what happened. So basically, since we hit the top of the channel, price was working its way to the bottom right over here. And usually it will make attempts, not guarantees. The market moves in attempts. So this was the first attempt by the bears to reach the target, and they failed because look at price started going sideways. That means it's consolidating for another attempt. So we had one drop, sideways trading, another drop. You can see that's perfectly measured right where price started finding support from at the 118, 119 level, because there was a slight support right about here, support here, and we just found more support right here. So basically we had two attempts to reach the upside of the channel that failed with a double bottom, and now we are reversing higher. So this can continue moving up higher, maybe back up to the highs of this orange channel at the 194 level, probably retest these highs. However, sometimes you have to keep an eye on this, that these two legs are generally just one now. All of this is just one large leg down, and we could just be seeing another correction for another large leg down, something like that, to get it to the opposite side of the channel, which is what the bears are trying to get. It just depends how strong this bullish momentum is. Right now, this bullish momentum is very strong. If we see a continuation and then maybe just a small drop, there's a good chance we're probably going to see another large push up higher. But if we see, another drop and then a push up higher and it's not that strong, it's telling me that price wants to make another leg down. So it just depends on what this move up does. If it's really strong, the bulls will take dominance and just continue pushing up price towards the high 190s, the high 100s. But if we just see, sideways trading or, the bulls not be able to push up higher, that signifies to me that the bears can come back in the market and drop down that price. The aggressive sellers can come back in and drop that price to where they want to go, which is right here at the mid 90s to the low 100s. So that's how I'm looking at Coinbase on the daily chart. We'll have to wait to see how this develops. I mean, Bitcoin is very bullish, so again, that's helping this stock out, obviously, because they're a cryptocurrency exchange. A lot of people buy, during when the price is going up, so they're going to be making a lot of money from those exchange fees. So we do have an earnings report coming out, looks like next week, estimated 15th after market close. So it could get a little quiet before that earnings report. And again, if we don't see further upside, there's a good chance that this could be the top of the correction for another large leg down. So we'll see how this develops for Coin. But that's all I have on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly chart shows that, price is making higher highs, higher lows. It's above the EMA. You can see that it came right to that EMA. It's finding support around that area. And we're pushing up higher. Again, is this push up higher done, or are we going to see another leg down? I'm expecting another leg down, similar to what happened back over here. So let's go back to the daily, right about here. So you can see this is what I mean. This was a large drop right over here. And look what happened. Price started pushing up higher, right? But it wasn't that strong, which signified that price can still go down, which it did. See, it still went down before going up higher. So that's what can happen over here. We have that large move down. If price is struggling to go higher, we can see another drop. The drop doesn't have to be big as the first one, but we'll probably see another drop, and then price can go up higher. So that would be the better opportunity around this area. But again, sometimes the market doesn't do what you expect. But the other expectation is price just continue to rocket up higher and then pulling back small for another continuation. So that's what also can occur. So we'll see which one takes place, and then we'll have a better idea what's actually going on the chart. So basically, since we had two legs up on the weekly, this is technically all just one leg. So whenever this correction is done, either right now or lower at the mid 90s or low 100s, that would be the start of the second leg up, and that would take price to, somewhere in the 200s. So I'm expecting, Coinbase to continue pushing up higher. It looks like it has bottomed out. It's reversing. Price did bottom out. A downtrend, going sideways, and then price reversing is a good a key thing to keep an eye on if you're looking for a reversal, because we had a major downtrend. Price started finding support, and then now it's reversing up higher. So it looks like it's going to be trying to take back most of these drops from the sellers, and the next target will be right about here at the 226. So again, I'm expecting higher prices for Coinbase medium to long term. Short term, it's just indecisive. I have to see what occurs from this momentum higher. So that's all I have for Coinbase on the daily, weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.